Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable receiving messages from others, friend or strangers on Roblox account. If you don't want to receive any message from others, then you can disable your message option. So how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you'll learn. And here you can see the settings option, the right hand side on your screen. It's called settings. Simply click here and click the settings. Then you can see the option the account my settings, and under that account info, security and privacy. You need to tap or click the privacy option. Then you can see the option who can message me. This one, who can message me. Okay, so you can see the by default it's friends, but if you click no one and save successfully, it means that other people aren't able to send a message from now. So it's really easy, friend. Okay, friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.